Go the fuck ahead, imbecile. I'm wondering if this place is really going to change to Continental. The last time I came in here, the sign was missing about the future Continental name. Tell you, it is smoky tonight, and there's a decent amount of people in here, but it shouldn't be this smoky. Jeez, can you see? I can't hardly see. Yeah, this is where it was. The big Continental banner was right there. We've got a shitload of security in here tonight. I wonder what's going on. Oh, look at this. They changed this room again. That was probably smart. Nobody was playing in here. I have no idea why. Sometimes you gotta try something and find out. This is where the craps table and the blackjack, roulette, traditional tables were in here pretty recently. I don't know what's going on. I do notice security is there's as much security as there is customers. So, where did they put the tables? Did they just do away with them completely? Got electronic machines out here. $5. Oh, look at this. This is cool. This is new to Vegas. You have an electronic screen in front of you, but you have a live dealer. I like this. This is very cool. Very, very cool. So all their traditional games are now electronic, because there's electronic scraps over here. It looks like they're all $5. Okay. So, yeah, it's live dealer, and then you place your bets. Wow, this is the first one I've seen for blackjack. Okay. I'd like to film that guy, but that's not going to be possible. So you slide your bet up here. And everything's just like regular live blackjack, except you have all the control of your money. Ooh, you can even tip. Yeah, the union probably made them put that button on there. Very interesting. I think it'll work, to be truthful, because you can have some privacy. Or I'll translate it to another language, privacy. Yeah, I like that. This is the same old right here, roulette, but now they've got it on blackjack, and I like it because it's real cards. It's not virtual. It's half and half. Thursday night football. Got a couple college games going on. Oh, you also got a playoff game in baseball. And then you got Amazon for the NFL. I'm not sure that they get Amazon. I don't blame them. It's really gone to shit. Look at all these old hoagies in here. Not the customers, the machines. People love them though. Got these new machines in with these fossils. This is a great machine though. Old school blackjack Keno, 4-card Keno, caveman Keno. You know what caveman Keno is? It's regular Keno with a border around it that goes like squiggly. That's it. That's the difference. It's the only difference. For Silver 7's to be the first to get a new machine is a first. And I'm pretty sure they are the first, because I go everywhere, every day, and I have not seen anyone else with that new blackjack machine. So this is a big change. This room's a big change. Those machines out there are a big change, but I don't see any sign of Continental. I think they decided not to do that. Maybe that carries a franchise fee or something. For some reason, they're not doing it. Because they're not doing it. If they were, we'd be seeing some construction. It's a nice swimming pool. These rooms out here are really good. You get one of these where you go right out the door. And unless you really want some quiet. Maybe one time you want some quiet and you don't want the swimming pool. It's usually not that loud out here though. When the weather's right, you might get some drunkers out here. Okay, nothing has changed in the rooms. The first thing they would do is get rid of this carpet. This carpet looks like something you'd see in a gas station restroom. Not just the gas station lobby, but the restroom. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't think they're going to be the Continental. I'm going to ask the people at the desk off camera. I'll let you know. Maybe not. I'll have to stand in line. I don't stand in line. So they've got 4 of these new tables. That one up there's a roulette, but these are blackjack. I hope they work because I love the concept. Yeah, I like it. I just said I loved it. Backtracking.